Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National Institute of Technology Meghalaya kalapan benapat ba Shen kan sa Pynkynriah no yakni ke Jaka Pule na Bijni Complex Laitumkhrah Shillong shapo ka than Sohra ha ka baya yakni ke Jingtei ladat bante hadu kumba khnai 4%. Habakran shakila pathai khubor man takasngi ka khatnyo tari urisau arjar pasau Upina Kaswar Mahanta, Director and Professor of Mechanical Engineering, Ulayathu by Kijinghikai Bathamai Hapokate Jaka Pule, Kabalakmiranti ba an sa Pynkynriah no haubnai no pra shapo Sohra, an sedang Jinghikai na do kashitari ubnai rumpang arjar arpasan. Ulayathu ba kani Jaka Pule ka Bathamai ka kuntup, ya Jaka Pule, ki hostel, ki Jaka bam, ki Jaka sa, ki Jaka trekam, ki Jaka tes, ki Jaka bukot pedeng, bat ki Jaka IT, kabala tebet baha. Shu ula pentip ru bakani ke Jaka Jinghikai kan sepenlong ru ya ke convocation ke bakhatway jong ke National Institute of Technology Meghalaya ke ban salong ha ke khat khandai tarik urisau arja arpasau ha State Convention Center Shillong. Ha kani ke convocation an pen kuburam ki shispa khanai pulai ngut ki riu start bat ki samla pule ki bakentup ya shispa sau phau ngut ki khana ke BTech khandai ngut ki khana ke MTech ar pulai ngut ki khana ke MSc bat ar phuai ngut ki PhD scholar. Ha usnem arja arpasau kani ke Jaka Pule kelawan ha kedan ke bahan Laitumkhrah, ha kedan engineering, dak NIRF, dak bakiu da sau kedan ke bahan New Puar ha usnem arja arpulai. Ke NIT Meghalaya ke deiru ke balabu kedan ke Indian Institutional Ranking Framework, ha kedan ke bapra na peleng ki shispa New Pautali ki college ha pokari India, ha usnem arja arpasau. Ha ke expo arja arpasau ha ubnai naitung ke NIT Meghalaya kalayo ya ke kusnam beningkong ha ke jingla jongka banle bha ha ke higher education.
19th of October at 11 a.m. in the State Convention Hall. I take the opportunity to invite all of you to attend the convocation, grace the occasion. In this convocation, 193 students will be graduating. Out of that, 21 are PhD students, 9 are MTech, 23 are MSc students, and 140 BTech students will be receiving degrees. Apart from that, we have a custom of giving gold medal, institute gold medal, that is called President Gold Medal for best graduate. Then one is Chairman's Gold Medal, which is open this year onwards, which is for best female candidates under BTech program or undergraduate program. And apart from that, we give some silver medals to each of the toppers of the departments. So we have 5 engineering departments, 3 science departments, and 1 humanities and management department. So all the graduating students are together is 193 this time. Perhaps more than 60% of the students will come and attend this particular program. Our institute was established during the year 2010, and we are consistently acquiring NIRF rank for last 5 years. Last year, our rank was 68 in engineering category. Apart from that, also we have got some other rank like IIRF, where the ranking is 88. And apart from that, our 2 of the departments, mechanical and electrical engineering, has been accredited by MBA till June 2027. That is a very much essential for overall tuning of the students and overall recognition. So these 2 departments are already accredited till 2027, and we are trying to promote other 2 departments like the civil and computer science for more accreditation. We had a lacuna because for 4 or 5 years there was a construction works was stalled in a permanent campus in Sohra. After my joining last year, we have accelerated this construction work, and we have put up the service sectors also, like electricity, internet facilities and all. So based on all these things, we are planning to go for permanent campus, that is by December 18th. So our new session will be starting from February 1. That will be in our permanent campus. That is the details, if required, or Dean PD can help. Regarding academic growth, we have 1,097 students on roll, where 29% is female candidates. And in 2024-25, that is this year, we have increasing by 12% increase in student. That is 332 students enrolled, including BTech and PG and PhD. We have more than 200 PhD students now. Then 39 international students are also there. Various exchange programs like ICCR, SII, India, like that. We are compromising with the education, so we have followed up the curriculum based on National Education Policy 2020, and now we have implemented it from this year, like minor degrees in specialized fields like sports engineering. Then AI and machine learning is an offering from next semester. Apart from that, microcredit system has been introduced. NCC, NSL, yoga, and mental health. These are all microcredit courses for the students. Then we have implemented multiple entry and multiple exit also for all the BTech students, so that if some students have got some problem during their study, they can leave that. Microcredit system has been introduced. NCC, NSL, yoga, and mental health. These are all microcredit courses for the students. Then we have implemented multiple entry and multiple exit also for all the BTech students, so that if some students have got some problem during their study, they can leave the institute on leave and they can rejoin after some time. So these facilities were not there earlier. We have made provision of these things. Apart from that, we have given attention to the students' internship program, because development of skill is very important for getting job particularly and for becoming entrepreneur. So we have made it compulsory for all the students to undergo industry-oriented internships, particularly at the end of 6th semester till 8th semester. That is 1 year they can go for internship. And during that time, 2 courses they have to take. That is online courses under soil portrait. So these are the things we have already implemented, and for MTech and PhDs also, we are revising the curriculum. In fact, now our curriculum is dynamic. Depending upon the need, year by year, it will go on changing. Research and innovation, we have more than 5.2 crores project we obtained last time from various sponsors. And we have also established one center that is called Startup and Innovation Cell, through which we are trying to promote incubation of different projects, particularly for students. Then for student welfare, we have comprehensive facilities for student welfare, including mental health, sports complexes, and medical care. These are all established in our permanent campus already. We prioritize a safe and inclusive environment. And recently, we have also made an inclusive center, which will be taking care of all type of outside people who can be given training, who can be educated, including blinds. We have already started a center for computer education for blinds. So that is one of the milestones. Regarding placement, more than 80% students are placed, and they are in very good companies like Microsoft and Microsoft, Amazon also. And highest package this time is more than 52 lakhs per annum, and median or average is more than 10 lakhs per student. More than 9 students this time got more than 20 lakhs per month package also. So placement is very good, and many of the students are going for higher studies also. This time, for going for higher studies, student has to appear for GATE exam, and more than 38 students they qualified for GATE. Many of our alumni are in foreign universities now, so that way also overall progress is very good. We have adopted 5 villages near to Sohra under Unnat Bharat Abhijan. That is called Kalapai, Putmanu, Saitsopan, Punkaba and Mosmai. In these 5 villages, we are doing some activities looking into the needs of the villages. For example, in Kalapai, we have given, because that village is isolated and people cannot cross the river during rainy season. So under CSR activity, we have given them a motorized boat, I think on 2nd of October. So that will be make their life easier. Apart from that, we have given solar lanterns, and in the nearby schools, we have given all the gadgets so that students can study. We also have planned to give some computers to various schools in that locality. So these are some of the inclusive educations we are providing. And in Sohra, we are, since our classes are going on there, every 3 days we are holding classes now. Remaining 3 days, these laboratories are actually not functioning. So we are going to give training to the local students, unemployed youths, so that they can learn computers. And for occupying that campus, that 10% is not needed now. We can wait also. So we are sitting in December.
So why was it
So in
stopped?
December?
Why was
Because of various issues. One issue was COVID. Because of COVID, all the laborers they went away. Second issue was from the ministry, there was a problem with fund distribution. And some local issues were also there. That time, of course, I was not there, but 4 or 5 years there was a storm. It is growing up. Students is growing up, and all these programs, what I have mentioned here, are taking a shape now. And we are going for new programs like helping the MCA with MCA program we are introducing into July session. Local students who are they cannot participate usually in NIT system because our students are taken from the JEE entrance examination. So in case of such type of programs like MCA, local students can be benefited. So we will initially have 20 to 30 capacity. Students who has completed BSc or BA or MSc, they can easily enter into that program. And it is a very good course for employment. Apart from that, we are thinking for having B.Ed courses also. So these will be all helpful for local students.
What is the percentage of
Actually, our scheme is like this. In case of B.Tech program, 50% seat is reserved for Meghalaya. But these students have to appear in joint entrance exam. They have to qualify them. But usually 30 to 35% student joins. Yeah, actually we have our number of permanent staffs are very limited, and most of the other duties are done by outsourcing through outsourcing. So in outsourcing, we are already employed some of the local people, and future also, whatever outsourced people will be required, we will give priority to them, particularly grade C and grade D. We will be giving opportunity to them. That already we discussed with the local Darbar also and local headmen also. Apart from that, regular vacancies, if they have to compete. That is always there. Yeah, see.
So actually, teaching staff means our faculty members. So faculty members is actually all India recruitment process. So for enter India, our faculty comes for interview. But problem is that selection is okay, we can done, but retaining faculty is difficult. Because faculty now in India enters state, we have NITs and IITs. So once faculty joins and working for 2 years or 3 years, after that if they get in their home state, they want to go, and because they all are qualified. And so retaining faculty is important. Otherwise, faculty we get.
what are your initial?
I think that's the important question. Retaining, I mean, we have to now one major issue for our faculty is that once we move to Sohra, for their kids, we don't have any good school. Okay, right now we are in Shillong, so good school they are getting here. So that's why faculty has a one-year psychosis if we don't get this school. Second, they are thinking that if you don't have any medical facility, good medical facility. So these two things are top priority for faculty. So they want to definitely, good infrastructure they need. Definitely we'll ask our ministry to give either some KB and in our campus. And of course, since medical facility we have to get from ourselves. So by that, if you can do this one, and another thing is that faculty generally they have to go for different conferences, the workshops, training program in India as well as abroad. So by that way, institute has given good funding for them to go abroad as well as enter India. So like that, we are trying to retain the faculty program in India as well as abroad. So by that way, institute has given good funding for them to go abroad as well as enter India. So like that, we are trying to retain the faculty.
Apart from that, I'd like to add up. Actually, see, most of the faculty members who join IIT and IT system are usually research oriented. We give priority to the research also. So, place like NITs, we have that of fund. Usually, in other reputed institutes, they make provision for seed grant for faculty members to undergo research. So we have made provision for seed grant. Maybe this seed grant have to be improvised. Maybe we usually give 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees to start with, but we have to increase it to 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs. Like Beach Pilani, we give 20 lakhs. But that is a private university. But in case of us, there is a problem. So maybe we have to raise that fund. And that way we can easily retain faculty. No, center is not anything.
No.
See, we have 31 NITs all across India. The rule is same for all. But we have to prioritize it because it is a remote place. Northeast is a remote location. So we have to give some special package. That will help. And for that we have to raise our own fund. That we are going to do.
Moving to Sohra.
Moving from source.
No, we have already 90% construction is completed. We are going to Sohra only. We have made provision of water supply, made provision of electricity, internet connection.
And how big is this campus?
Pardon?
How big is this campus?
Yeah, campus actually we have total 320 acres. Actually, so main campus initially government has given us 220 acres land. So we are constructing here and another 100 acres nearby. So already this construction is academic block, administrative block, libraries, computer center, central workshop, electrical substation, everything completed. Only thing, some boys hostel and girls hostel construction is going on. So everything will be two boys hostel and one girls hostel. It will be completed by December, and another boys hostel will be completed by January, February. So that's why we are planning to move by December. And regarding our residential quarter for our directors bungalow or faculty quarters, few quarters will be ready by December. So that's why we will move. By our session, next session will start from 1st February. And enter class will be start everything from February 1. Here, we'll move from Shillong to Sohra.
And what about the
Total cost of the campus was approved by ministry is 429.7 crores.
Including furnitures and
Everything. This is for civil works, civil and electrical works, and for furnitures and equipment was 74 crores.
The only thing, the weather is conducive. Because dam, no.
First of all, our if you see, consider academic block, main is the equipment. So equipment actually have been a problem for this campus. So enter our laboratories are equipped with dehumidifier. So dehumidifier system will control all the moisture or other things. So like that we can maintain a good equipment and infrastructure here. If you regarding that staying the waters and other things, of course it is that area, but what to do? We have to survive somehow.
Who gave this?
No, it is in long back. It is 2009 government this one. No? So at that time, Meghalaya government has allotted this land because that land is the beauty in the hands of the government, state government.
But technically speaking, is it conducive for students' faculty? You may know better.
If you ask, that's the main issue. But the challenges will be everywhere.
There are a lot of challenges.
Yeah.
We have
Being a technician, definitely we have to do. Retaining water also is a challenging part. So we have done big water harvesting is already we have made.
Also, these dehumidifiers, what we have given in each room, there. The water is at the outlet we get the
Outlet.
water. Their water is drinkable actually. So
Water
that can be
water.
utilized for different purposes. So that is also mitigating our
Maintenance cost will
water source.
everything.
Water we have provision.
No, he is asking about the minerals.
No.
Yeah, that
Maintenance.
maintenance. Yeah, that's the thing. See, first of all, that's why we are putting the dehumidifier. Number one. So dehumidifier will control at least from the dust and moisture the content comes in the equipment that will prevent 100%. Then definitely other maintenance is, I mean, if you see if any problem arises, definitely we have always the agreement with all the companies as per AMC, annual maintenance contract. So we call them, then they will come. And nowadays, I mean, if you ask me, I joined in 2013. So earlier we got, I mean, all the services from either from Kolkata or from Guwahati. But nowadays, many, I mean, the company, they have also some, at least some service center in Shillong also. So that is developing day by day.
Yeah.
For BTech it is 165
Per batch.
per batch. Per year for BTech it is 165 and for MTech it is 125 and for MSc it is as of now 60 for 3 departments, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and BTech and MTech for 5 departments, that is civil engineering, computer science engineering, then electrical engineering, electronics engineering and mechanical engineering, and PhD in all these 8 and also in humanities and social sciences.
Is because of the temporary campus we are restrictive. Once you go to the permanent campus, it will become double.
No, I mean, my question is,
Double of this. Because we have room size of 90 per classroom.
Classroom size we are making there 90. So as of now our BTech intake capacity we have 33 only. So we will be increasing it to even we can accommodate more than double.
60.
Almost with this total we can.
Okay, I understand the 40 masters.
As of students 1097 and per year intake capacity it will be 165 plus 125 plus 60 and for PhD not exactly specified. Normally we used to take 40 per year, 40 to 50 per year.